In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons on Webflow 2026, full tutorial. Adding social icons is a quick win for credibility and navigation. And today, we'll do it the clean way using Webflow's built-in embed. Before we begin, have your icon markup ready. This could be simple links with SVG icons or a snippet from a trusted icon library. Keep the URLs to your profiles on hand. We'll paste everything in one place, so it's easy to maintain later. First, go to Webflow and open your project in the designer. Navigate to the exact page and section where you want your icons to live, like the nav bar or footer. It helps to click the element that should contain them so the new component lands in the right spot. If your layout already has a dedicated social area, select that wrapper now. If not, choose the section or div that makes the most sense for consistent spacing across your site. Next, click on the Add panel to reveal all available elements. You'll find it on the left side of the designer. With your target section selected, open the panel so you're ready to insert the component. This keeps your structure organized and avoids having to move elements around later. If you use classes for your layout, make sure the parent container has the styling you want, since the icons will inherit spacing and alignment from that wrapper. Now click on Code Embed, also called the embed element. When you choose it, Webflow will let you place it on the canvas. Click right where you want the icons to appear. The custom code editor opens so you can add your markup. This approach is ideal when you'd like full control over the HTML structure and accessibility labels without relying on image assets that can be harder to update. Finally, paste your code for the social media icons. Use full URLs to your profiles, add clear ARIA labels for screen readers, and if appropriate, set links to open in a new tab with target equals blank and rel equals Nupener. You can include minimal CSS inside the embed or apply a class to the wrapper and style it in Webflow for spacing and hover states. Click Save and Close to apply the embed, then confirm the icons appear in the right place. Like that's it. Your social media icons are now integrated and ready to match your site's design.